Hello friends, what happens if anybody is violating the orders and the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court of India? So let me tell you friends, under Article 141, 142 and 144, the orders and the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court of India are binding on civil and judicial authorities and as well as each and every person. So if somebody is willfully and deliberately violating any of the guidelines or the judgments issued by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, you can file a contempt petition directly in the Supreme Court of India under Article 129. That will be read with civil contempt, that is Section 2B of the Contempt of Courts Act. The punishment is defined between 10 to 12 sections of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971. So this is one of the wonderful remedies that the Constitution of India provides us, wherein we can directly take the matter directly to the Honorable Supreme Court of India under Article 129. But you need to demonstrate why you did not go to the Honorable High Court under Article 215 for filing your contempt case. In High Courts it is called contempt case, whereas in the Supreme Court it's called contempt petition. So if at all there is violation in the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, the first best place is to go to the High Court under Article 215. If at all they do not entertain, then you can come back to the Honorable Supreme Court in the form of an SLP, that is Article 136 read with Article 129, and still you can file your contempt petition in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. And if you demonstrate that there is a deliberate attempt to brazenly violate the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, definitely the Honorable Supreme Court will not spare such kind of people. Let them be any big people also, they will be punished. There is a punishment of 6 months under the Contempt of Courts Act for civil. Civil contempt is the one where the orders and judgments get violated, and criminal contempt is an entirely different gamut. So in civil contempt, the disobedience of orders will be taken up seriously in the High Courts as well as the Supreme Courts, and the articles are 129 as well as 215. Thank you, my dear friends.